Cool lighter trick.
Is it recording?
It's not supposed to do that. Oh God. Oh God. The heck? Push the gas button. Okay. Well, hold on. Let me show them how to do this. Well, I kind of messed up this lighter, so pointing out my hands. I'm gonna show them how to do it. Okay, first, get any kind of lighter you want. God.
Are we gonna make this video and then put the other video up?
Yeah. And then this, you take like thing from a pen that has ink in it, and then there, you probably can't see it now because we already did it. But there's like a little thing where the gas comes out. Then you put that in there, and then you blow on the end, and then ink will come out. And then when you light it, this lighter's kind of messed up. Son of crap. I'm gonna use this other one.
Yes, do it on the wooden table.
Dang. Wait, there it goes. Wait, no. Dang, it's not doing what it's supposed to do. I think we put too much ink in both of them. Bitch, I dare you to burn me one more time. Yeah, come on. Do it. Dang, hold on. It was just about to do it too. There it goes. See? Hold. Wait, it's doing it.